I don't know if this happens to you too, but these days my memory lasts about as long as the battery on a 3-year-old smartphone. It starts strong in the morning, and by mid-afternoon, it's basically dead. Classes, meetings, calls. By the end of the day, I've forgotten half of what I was supposed to remember. And that's exactly why, for a while now, I've been testing this small device that basically remembers everything for me. The Plaud Note originally launched back in 2023, and just a few months ago, Plaud released a new version, the Plaud Note Pro. So today, we're going to look at what actually changes compared to the original model. Before deciding whether the Pro version is worth it, it's important to understand what Plaud actually is. If you're not familiar with it yet, think of it as an AI-powered personal assistant designed for people who live between classes, meetings, phone calls, or who constantly have ideas but no time to write them down. It's about the size of a credit card, and with just one button, it starts recording any important conversation without relying on your phone or draining its battery. Later, the app turns those recordings into summaries, key points, and to-do lists all ready to share. Now, yes, there are apps that promise to do something similar, but after trying them, you quickly realize you end up paying more attention to the app than to the meeting or class you're actually in. So, what does the Plaud Note Pro really bring to the table compared to the original Plaud Note? The easiest way to explain it is like this. The original Plaud Note is like the standard iPhone. It works well, it's reliable, and it's more than enough for most users. The new version is like the iPhone Pro. Same concept, same foundation, but with better battery life, higher recording quality, and several upgrades that don't sound like a big deal on paper until you use it and notice the difference in everyday life. That's where the Plaud Note Pro stops feeling like a simple update and starts feeling like a tool clearly built for power users. The first major upgrade is battery life. The Pro version offers up to 60 days on standby and 50 hours of continuous recording, compared to about 30 hours on the original model. In real life, this brings a lot of peace of mind. With the original Plaud Note, if you forget to charge it, there's a real chance it'll die right before your most important class or meeting. Another big upgrade is the new AMOLED display. At a glance, you can now see whether it's recording, how much battery you have left, and whether the file is transferring to the app correctly, things you previously had to check by opening the app itself. Transfer speed has also been significantly improved. With the original Plaud Note, it could take 2 to 3 minutes to send a recording to the app. With the Pro version, transfers are almost instant thanks to better Bluetooth performance and 5 GHz Wi-Fi support. But if you record multiple meetings or classes, the time savings really add up. Where the difference becomes most noticeable, though, is audio quality. The original uses 2 microphones and records clearly within about 6 to 9 feet. The Pro version upgrades this to 4 microphones, capturing voices clearly from up to 16 feet away. On top of that, noise reduction has been massively improved. You can now record almost anywhere without missing a word, even in noisy cafes or echo-heavy spaces like large classrooms or meeting rooms. The result sounds far more natural, like someone speaking directly to you instead of a compressed, distant recording. Alongside the new hardware, Plaud has also completely redesigned their app. It's now cleaner, faster, and includes direct integrations with tools like Notion and Gmail, the ability to import external audio from Zoom or Microsoft Teams, and new multimodal features that let you combine recordings with images and text. And the best part is that all of these app improvements are available for both the original Plaud Note and the Plaud Note Pro. As for pricing, the original Plaud Note currently costs $169, while the new Pro version comes in at just $20 more at $189. So now we can finally answer the big question. Is the Plaud Note Pro worth it? If you don't already own the original Plaud Note, my answer is a clear yes. For just $20 more, you get nearly double the battery life, better audio quality, longer recording distance, and an AMOLED display. If you already own the original Plaud Note, though, the answer is, it depends. If you only use it occasionally and it already meets your needs, the Pro probably won't change your life. But if you record multiple classes, meetings, or calls every day and rely on it heavily, upgrading to the Pro makes a lot of sense. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. And if you want to discover other high-quality but more affordable AI recorders, I'll leave a link to another video where I break down the 5 best options in terms of value for money. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.